on, guys? Today we had more parts show up for the Project Cobalt. Super stoked. I have this one box here. I have no idea what's in it because I ordered so much stuff I kind of forgot. And another box that I absolutely know what it is. I'm super stoked to see what it looks like. So I'm going to grab a knife. We'll get opening. You ready? So, as I said, I have no idea what is in this box, to be 100% honest with you. But I have an idea. The only hint on the box is that it says that it's blue, whatever it is. Oh, I know exactly what it is now. This is another part that Dylan is gonna hate. Yeah. Oh yes. So here's the first part. I know exactly what this is now. This is exciting because I've never purchased one of these before. So this is the first time I'm seeing one. But I figured for the price of it, it was well worth the shot to see, you know, what quality it is, what it is, how well it works. Ta-da! This is a R-Tunes Racing eBay cold air intake for our Chevy Cobalt. It's got a blue cone filter. We'll open it up and see what it looks like. Dylan, check it out. It's cold air intake, dude. No. See, it says R-Tunes Racing on the top, chrome. Blue cotton filter, washable. Nice little piece on the end here. Let's look at the rest of it, shall we?
Everybody knows K&N's got the best filters.
Got the blue 90-degree elbow. Clamps. It doesn't have fancy clamps like Dylan's intake or my Camaro intake. It's just got, you know, basic hose clamps, but for the money, it's kind of to be expected. But the elbow and vent tube, see the vent tube is actually a braided hose. See, it's got the fibers in there. So that's heavy duty. That'll hold up. Shouldn't give you a problem. Comes with some grade A 10mm bolts, which seems a little excessive. This is actually a nice piece. What was that? Let's see what the tube looks like. Oh. And here is the intake tube.
Why is it so chromy?
Bum, 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 bum. Balling. All aluminum. Got a massive bung in it for the
Why is it so chromy?
I don't know. That's what color it came.
I don't like it.
It's got the massive bung in it for the mass airflow sensor. Spaced out so that way the fact that the filter is open and closed doesn't trigger any engine codes. That's good. Came with the screws to mount it with. Nice TIG welded. It's just a short little ram style intake. Here, let's assemble it.
These are kind of shitty. These are kind of shitty.
Yes, I said that already.
You did?
Yep.
I'm glad you said that.
So that's gonna go like that. This is gonna go like so.
You know what's funny? when we installed mine, we installed it at fucking out in the dark under our spotlight. Damn, it's even got a mounter up.
There you go. It's assembled. We just gotta go put it on, tighten some clamps. Problem solved. Dope.
You know what's funny? Here. You're right. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Let's set that right there. Now this is the one that I'm excited for. I know what it is, so that makes me happy. Very happy. Stuff that right in there, Dylan. You know, downside of our trash consumption here. Just, you know, punch it. Alright, eat that. It's good. It's a popper. Alright, guys. Now here is the thing that I've been waiting for.
What the hell is a popper?
Shit in my
Man, you
eye.
got popped you upside the head.
It did.
This tastes like dick.
It hurt. I got shit in my eye.
Those taste awful. Dude.
So this is our Magic Drift front lip. I have ordered a lot of front lips, aerodynamic stuff from Magic Drift in the past for my Eclipse that I had, and they were all very good quality parts. My Nissan Altima that I had a Magic Drift lip on it, and Dylan's in my way. They were very rugged. They were very hard. I actually was getting off of a ferry boat one time, and the lip got caught underneath the ramp, and it ripped the bolts out of the bumper of the car. Ran it over. The lip was fine. Went back, picked it up, threw it in the trunk, went home, bolted it back on. So this is a very good part.
Oh, that looks weird.
One.
I don't know.
Open it up.
And this looks weird to me. Came with screws.
Yeah, they always do.
You know what? Well, not necessarily. But anyway, you know what's funny? How we're gonna put this on there?
Open it up.
You know what? No, you're listening to me?
What? You got shit in your hair.
I say, you know what's funny? How we're gonna put this on there?
Well, how?
It's like we did my car. We're gonna pull it up on the hill. Oh shit!
It's all pre-drilled. And yes, this is actually direct fit for the car. You don't see that. The factory bumper sets in here. This goes down flush, and the rest of it kind of sticks out
I feel like it needs to be painted.
straight like a splitter. Well, this is gonna get painted with the car. Can you take it out of the bag to hit me with it? Show.
Why?
I don't want to be hit with it.
I want to take it all out of the bag.
Hit me with your lip.
It ain't my lip. It's your fucking lip.
But
Your front lip.
they're very thick, very rugged material. You can watch this. Look what you can
All right,
do.
there, Duraflex.
Look,
Relax.
Twist it. Like I said, I've ripped these off before and did more damage to my factory bumper cover than the lip. That's pretty dope. I've been waiting for this. I'm super stoked. Can't wait to do the installs on all this stuff.
You like it?
She don't give a shit.
She's like, you're doing all this extra shit, and I don't even give a flying fuck.
Nobody does. But, anyways, I had this. So in the last video, I got some side skirts, but I didn't want to open them. But I got to thinking today that what if they're wrong? So I've decided that I should open them for you guys, and I'm gonna do that right now with a knife because they've packaged them like these things you could literally throw them off a mountain and they'd probably still be good. Like they're super packed. Alright, so I bought these pre-owned. They're for a 4-door Cobalt SS. Because the basic regular Cobalt do not come with ground effects. They come with an exposed rocker panel. So this should doll them up a little bit. As long as they're what I think the spec be. Lots of bubble wrap. Dang! I'm just hoping they're not like broken. I'm expecting to have to like refinish them.
Why are they gonna be broken?
And all that.
How they came.
They're used.
Well,
I ordered these through LKQ, salvage yard, the nationwide one. I've had good luck with their stuff. They have quality control. Grab the other end of that, Dylan. Pull. pull. Oh, not that hard.
Said pull.
Pull on it like it's your pecker. Damn. You're mean to that thing.
I gotta make sure it don't come out.
Damn. Okay. New rule. Would you eat your Wheaties today? Fucking A.
What happened?
What happened? You pulled me out with damn chicken. Ow!
Fucking Hercules, bitch.
And I'm stabbing myself over here.
Well,
Never
you're
cut.
supposed to
Never cut towards yourself. Shot.
Man, you missed that free throw.
That's why I yelled Shaq.
That's why I said, yeah, you messed that free throw.
Alright, I'm gonna continue this whole
Well, they're dirty.
they're
You can
used.
definitely tell they're used.
I think they're at least black.
I don't know
Blue.
what color they are. They
Maybe
look blue.
blue.
They look like a midnight blue.
God, this is a lot of work. Go LKQ. This is a lot of work, guys. What the fuck is this? Keep her up.
Saran wrap.
It is too.
Don't do that.
Dang, they really wrap these things up.
Oh, yeah.
It's like they were taking off a car in a junkyard or something.
Like they're trying to take a car from a junkyard and hide the good parts. And make them, keep them pretty. Not knowing they're from a junkyard.
We're almost there.
You act like you own a Subaru.
Vape life. Oh! Dylan joined the club today. I forgot to tell you all this. Dylan got a ticket for his illegal window tint. So he is now part of the illegal mod club. Congratulations, Dylan. I'd like to be the first to offer my honest and true appreciation that you finally joined the club. Because it's no ticket for, you know, your whole life
You know how many
thing.
times I got pulled over and they never gave me a ticket?
Right, but now you got official proof that you were part of the illegal mod club.
No, I ain't a part of legal mod club until I get exhaust ticket or something. I feel like window ticket is just like,
Window tint ticket.
huh?
Because God forbid, you know, if you want to drive around naked and not let anybody see you. Apparently that's against the law.
Apparently.
Like peeing in a park or something. I don't know why that's a big deal. Anyway,
Apparently they
here's
said-
our pre-owned, pre-dirtied. Here's the salvage tag. Cobalt
Oh,
SS.
maybe have to be painted.
Side skirt. Obviously.
Well, I didn't
The
think
whole
they were
car's
that
gonna
bad.
be painted. Cobalt SS. Side skirts for the 4-door. That is dope. These were not that expensive. I think I paid $150 for the
That's too
pair.
much.
And it's a lot cheaper than going aftermarket. And they're urethane, factory product. So
Yeah,
they won't, they're not fiberglass. They won't break on a speed
They're
bump.
have to be sanded down and painted.
Well, yeah, the whole car is going to be. So that's not really a huge issue for me. But
You're a
here they are.
fucking issue.
You're an issue. You want
I
this
got
issue?
your fucking mess, bitch.
Just throw it all in that pile.
Nope.
Alright guys, that's that. I know 90% of the video was us opening shit, literally. But thanks for watching. Please stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot more to come. Because now that all our parts, I think all our parts showed up other than the wheels and tires. That's all we're waiting for. But that's not gonna stop us from getting started on the bodywork and installing some of this stuff. So that'll be the next few videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.